Assalamualaikum. Good morning, dear students. Welcome to your science class in Montessori 3. Dear students, open your book page number 6. What is our topic today? Faces. Face. Face is today's our topic. So, dear students, let's find out what's in our face. Look at the outline of the head. Draw the face. Join the words to the right parts. Now, point to these parts on your own face. So dear student, this is the face activity. Let's come to our face activity. This is our face. What we have in our face? हमारे फेस में हम क्या क्या हैं? Eyes, nose, lips, eyebrows, ears. Let's paste this. First we paste eyes, then we paste ears, nose, lips, eyebrows, So this is our face activity. So dear students, come and let's find out their names on book page number 6. What is this? Hair. H-A-I-R, hair. Eyes, nose, mouth, chin, cheek, ear, forehead. So now it's your turn to note down your homework. Make a face on book page number 6 and make a line between their names. जो बेटा ये names दिए उनमें आपने पहले इसको fill करना है. Eyes, nose आपने lips बनाने हैं, फिर आपने lines बनानी है. So this is your homework. Take care. Allah Hafiz.